This is from Icon Motorsports, and let's see what we have. We have side skirts. In this episode, we're going to take a look at the side skirt splitters that I installed for the RSX Type S. This was pretty much plug and play because all you have to do is drill the holes, screw them in, and you're good to go. So let's check it out. Okay, comes with the screw right here. Comes with the screw. So these are the side skirt lip with the fin that's gonna go underneath the side skirts of the OEM side skirts of the RSX. Let's look at the material. Material's kind of so-so. I mean, I thought maybe it would kind of be better, but the other parts, like the lip on the car, the lip on the car looks good, but this one, the material is not that great. If you guys look carefully, well, you could see it. You could see it right there. See? I don't know. I might have to sand it, repaint it. We'll see what happens. But maybe from far away you can't really tell. But yeah. So that's what we have here. Let's see. Let's take a look really quick. So it's gonna be like that. Oh, right here, right? If you look at the side skirt, the side lip, up close, it already has the markings, so you know where exactly to drill the hole. Right here, if you can see right there, see those are the markings to drill the holes for the side skirt lip. So you don't have to like kind of guesstimate where you're going to drill, you know, make it easier to do the drilling. I finally got to drill the side skirt lips, so it's pretty much ready to go here. Why? So I have the little drills. I drilled the holes. Okay, you could tell up close. Holes right there, up here, here, here. So all these holes are drilled, and all I have to do is find the right spot underneath the side skirt and then line it up and then drill again, drill through so that I can screw it in. Okay, so see how I lined up? I put some screws here. So because I already put holes on the side skirt, lip right here, all I have to do now is line it up like the hole that I did, that I pre-drilled, and then I can drill through the side skirt and then screw it in. So watch. And that's how you do it right there. Nice and snug. So here it is, side skirt lip. It's pretty solid, as you can see. And you know, I was really kind of concerned. I was concerned about the quality of right here, because you could tell, like it doesn't look like the finish. You know, it's not really that great. But maybe when the car's down, you can't really tell that much. We'll see. But this is pretty much how it is. You know, if you look underneath, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got six screws in there, holding it. So yeah, it's pretty solid. Look at it. You just don't want to step on it, but it's pretty solid. I think they're cool. At first I wasn't sure if I wanted to do them because, you know, they have some imperfections on them, but they were, as you can see, it was fairly easy to install these. And I kind of like the way it looks because it kind of gives the car a little contrast, you know, a little black contrast instead of just being all silver, which is kind of, it's just different flavor, you know. But I kind of like that it has that contrast, and hopefully it sticks, right? Because I don't want to mess up this lip. It might be easy to mess it up if you step on it.
This is what I was talking about. The simple, just almost like a black molding kind of side skirt, just to add flavor. You know, sometimes it's not about being as flashy or go really big, but nice and simple.
You really have to look at the side skirt lip, but I think it looks cool like that. So that's gonna do it for the DC5 side skirt splitters. As I mentioned before, these are not really the highest quality splitters. They're made of plastic, but if you're on a budget and you don't want to spend that much and you just need something to make it look better than stock, then this should do the trick, because from far away you can't really tell unless you're up close and you're trying to magnify everything. It should do the trick. So until next time, drive safe and keep on rolling.